TSLA stock analysis and TSLA stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Which just 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Tesla, bro, I'm seeing it correcting down a bit. Like, not the worst thing, not the best thing ever, but at least it's doing something, you know. I said the correction more so from a higher time frame, because today it's up 4%. It's cool. Now, with the fundamentals, there's like a lot of crazy stuff going on Twitter with Elon Musk and whatnot, but beyond the point, Tesla itself, man, like, had so many receipts in the Discord. Like, there's no lack of coverage on Tesla. And with my 41,000 videos receipt done over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Specifically here, the way that I'd look to double down is if I see the shifts taking place, right? So 1-2 break is the way that I'm doing things. And even if that's like a swing, yeah, I mean, it's fine. Like, last thing that I'm going to do is randomly start buying, you know? So if there's no sort of shift like this, like a double break, then there's no way that I'm going to look to buy. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. And I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.